Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Today, we're going to look at why viewers might want to consider becoming venture capital investors. Investing in high-quality venture capital opportunities has long been the realm of high net worth individuals and institutional money. But now there are ways to become venture capital investors while also collecting a nice dividend along the way. With this approach, you can benefit from success of ventures and collect dividends at the same time. And that's what someone gets when they invest in Hercules Capital Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol HTGC. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Hercules Capital is a business development company, or BDC for short, that provides senior secured venture growth loans. The clients comprise growth-oriented venture capital-backed companies focused on the technology and life sciences segments. Now, according to Hercules Capital, it has so far lent out in excess of $20 billion to over 660 companies since December 2003. Now, some of the companies Hercules has invested in over the years include Ancestry.com, DocuSign, Impossible Foods, and Zoom.
Now, the business of venture loans is higher risk, but could pay out handsomely if investment pans out. Some of today's top technology companies that were once venture investments.
Hercules Capital stock currently pays a high dividend and is on a 20-year dividend payment streak. Moreover, as of this recording, HTGC stock is also up 21% this year and 30% over last year. If you add the dividend in, the total return is well above that of the S&P 500. Now, if you look at the company's chart on incomeinvestors.com, you'll see that Hercules Capital stock has reclaimed its 200-day moving average of $17.83 per share. And it could take a run at the 50-day moving average, which is sitting at $19.44 per share. An upward move is possible, given that HTGC stock is currently flashing a golden cross. That's a bullish technical indicator when the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, let's talk numbers here. How do they look?
Hercules Capital has grown its revenue by 65.1% from 2019 to the record $469.1 million in 2023. This includes 3 consecutive years of growth, such as the stellar 44.6% gain in 2023. The revenue outlook is positive, albeit the growth rate is expected to fall to the high single digits. This is not unusual, given the nature of the business, which typically witnesses swings. Analysts estimate that Hercules Capital will grow revenue by a pretty solid 9.3% to $503.3 million in 2024, and a further 7.9% to $542.8 million in 2025. Now, the bottom line points to consistently profitable company as well, including impressive 192.7% growth in profits in 2023 to $2.31 per share. Now, analysts predict the adjusted earnings will come in at around $2.04 per diluted share this year, $2.03 per diluted share in 2025. While the estimates are flat, consistent profitability is positive and supports continued dividend payments, which is important.
Since you mentioned dividend, what can you tell us about dividends here?
Well, Hercules Capital is a free cash flow machine, pumping out a record $269.7 million in 2023. Now, this was after paying out $273.7 million in common dividends. Hercules Capital currently has an attractive forward dividend yield of 10.15%, which has returned strong dividend growth since 2018. Now, income investors will like the fact that the company has paid dividends in 20 consecutive years. Now, the company currently pays a quarterly dividend of 48 cents per share, at $1.92 per share, to be paid out in 2024. The dividend coverage ratio was a manageable 1.2 times in 2023.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Hercules Capital has been a great BDC since it went public in 2005. This is due in large part through underwriting skills and the kinds of companies it invests in. On the passive income front, shareholders have seen nice dividend growth since 2018 that was well above the inflation rate. Of course, as Hercules Capital stock rallies, the forward dividend yield will likely normalize, but then shareholders also get price appreciation. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.